Okay, welcome back to Riotouch. Today, showing you some news on the settings on the fingerprints and also the NFCs. Firstly, if you're buying the panel, it's got the fingerprint mode, like here, and also NFC mode. So, firstly, I'm gonna teach you how to add a user for the NFC card to login, power off, and now. So, firstly, we need to input password, and the reason the password is 2560, and we press login. Here are different functions. The things we need to keep in mind, the require list shows different users here. So firstly, we delete it, and let's confirm it. As add a different user, if you get the panel with MC functions, you will get a free MC card, and we press here. So it will show the ID card number, and then I confirm it. And also, you need to choose the validity period for the permanent, like a lifetime user or specific data. And let's return it. And to the card list, there shows our ID card number, 49, and with 49. Then let's add a different user with the smart brand. Okay, it will show that it's tapped for 2 times, and there shows the enemy is 32, and let's confirm it, make it prominent, and then confirm it. So here are the things and the users, and to return and show the card list. I have 2 different users. You can even rename it there on the MC settings and back to the fingerprint mode. They got a fingerprint mode, and then we are checking the apps here. Like firstly, accessing to with the password was 41111, and then we log in, and then finish. And so it will identify and recording my fingerprints. So after all is done, it will shows confirmed. Okay, it shows finish. So when we press it again, it will lock. It's new shading, and then back to the home page and lock with my finger. Okay, it shows lock, and repress it, shows unlock. Okay, unlock successful. Those are the things on the MC settings and fingerprint settings. Thank you.